Good morning, everyone. It is 5:30 a.m. and I am on my way to Kintampo. There's a waterfall there, and it's quite a drive away from Tamale, so I have to get up early so I can go there. And, I'm in the elevator, and that's why it's that. But anyways, I have to get up early so I can go to Kintampo. I have never been to a waterfall in my life, so that's why I'm making the sacrifice of waking up early and making the journey over there. I am wearing black. I don't think you can see that. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Let's go along for the ride again today. After making almost a 3 hours drive from the northern region Tamale to eastern region, we arrived at the Kintampo Waterfalls. I just got to Kintampo, and this is the waterfalls. I'm walking to pay the gate fee for it. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. So, how do we do this?
Are you Ghanaian?
Yeah.
Pay 10 cedis each.
So what?
Ghanaian adults pay 10 cedis each.
Yeah, it's just me.
Just 3, right?
No, just me.
There is one big canopy walk for me.
No. Nobody got time for that.
Don't get time for that.
Nope.
If you have 10 cedis, since you are the first person.
No, I don't. I'm the first person here?
Yeah. Gojo! On the first person. Robert, who wants that?
So, again. So when I get back, how would you know? Do you want to write it somewhere on it?
My sport side guide. The one taking you is my side guide.
So hey, yeah.
So he will come to take the money for you.
Okay. Oh yeah. Good. How are you, Kojo?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm in Kintampo, and I'm the first person here because Mr. James made me wake up by 5:30 a.m. to drive all the way here. And they have a canopy walkway, but nope, I'm not doing that. So we'll start from the small waterfalls. That's here. We have the small waterfalls. I want to swim. Yeah, my phone is actually better than yours. Let me see if I can find it.
It's not the first one. The waterfall is
Okay.
Here is not the first. I have some great there, let's go people. Some great that place, about 10 to this only. If you get there, then I want to get out of that. Oh, okay. If you go there, it has a small water in the garden. Here, just starting a small pond. Here, it will go down about 10 to this. So that way,
Okay.
the second one. And the first one is better than the second one. You put the main for the flower. So here, the road, the waterfall, and take things.
So apparently Kintampo Waterfalls has 3 different places. The one that you just saw is the first one, and then they have a second one that looks like a stream. I forgot to film that one because it just looked like a regular stream. And then we proceeded to the high one. I don't know what it's called, but it was, let's just say, the big one. We proceeded to the big one, and it was beautiful. The place is beautiful. If you get a chance to go to the eastern region to see the Kintampo waterfalls, I say do it. And of course, as you know, I am a Christian praying girl, and I could not just sit in this amazing thing that I have never been in my life and not take our time to appreciate God and to pray. It was just very solemn and just very quiet that I got to do that. I prayed for some specific things that I needed clarity on. I prayed for my family, I prayed for my friends, I prayed for the world. It was just beautiful to just be there and just pray for myself and also intercede on behalf of everybody else and the world and the church and just everything that's going on. It was really, really amazing. everyone. I have this whole waterfalls all to myself. I have just been jamming music and praising God and dancing and having a good old time. It's been, God is just so wonderful. Look at this. God is just so perfect in doing things and doing beautiful things, creating beautiful things. It's been, my morning has been so great. It's worth it. It was worth waking up early, taking the drive from Tamale to Ghanaian region. This is Kintampo Waterfalls. It's just been magical. Just been magical. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've just enjoyed seeing this beautiful waterfalls and living vicariously through me here. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am trying to get to 500 subscribers and I know that you can help me do it. So please share this video with your family and with your friends, and I will see you in my next adventure. Bye.